So if you look, the 50% and 60% Fibonacci level is right here at the 200 EMA level on the weekly. So this is a real powerful and targeted zone. So price gonna have to come here and make a decision. So I can delete that fib. And then I just got a mental note of that's where the 200 EMA is at. Currently in this buy, or you waiting this for a price to get there?
Oh yeah, that's look like a weekly demand area. So I see what it does right there.
Oh, my bad, I ain't understand. You said you in the buy or you waiting for the buy?
I was in the buy and then I closed a little in profit because it still looked bearish to me.
Yeah, okay.
So
So then,
yeah, I'm
um,
waiting to see it come down more because it's showing a weekly demand area right there, and that's what I mark up.
yep. So
Yeah, I
yo,
mark that same area up that you mark right there.
okay. So let's just go look at the hour right quick. And you can see what time, okay. This hour, this candle about to close. So we could see possible, I'm gonna just identify some key areas right here. Like it's a key area. You see, we got support and resistance right here. We'll make this blue. I just like to color coordinate my charts. So all my blue bars are like key levels of support resistance. Green, if you see a green on my chart, then that's 61.8, between 61.8 and 50% Fibonacci level. So right now, and I'm gonna put a vertical line right here on this chart. I mean, right here on this hour. So I know this is where we start first mark this up at. But we could see price shoot up right here and then either reject and continue down to that sell all the way down to here, all the way to down here.
Yeah, I was thinking of taking the buy to that resisting area that you mark up, but I'm not sure if the buy will happen to hold bearish here, so I just got out of here.
Yeah, smart move. You know what I mean? Just be patient. It's gonna tell you. Then it might not happen right now because it might buy up. It might do buy up. Depending on how this candle close. This 10 o'clock candle gonna let you know. Or it could boom buy up and then break through here and go up. But more than likely, I'm seeing price coming down to down here. That would be the move I would wait for. So I would wait, me personally, I would wait for a sale because looking at the higher time frame, we can anticipate a sale coming just from analyzing the higher time frame. And I can actually get rid of the rest of these right quick. I'm just gonna focus on the 200 right now.
Okay, I was a moving average myself, but I don't like lose the 200 like that.
You said you do or you don't.
I don't I don't lose it where you lose it.
Yeah, see, for me, the 200 EMA is like dynamic support and resistance. And if you look, let's just go back and just look how price always respected. Like when it break through, it's a major breakout. When it break through, it's a major breakout. It consolidated a little bit right here, but look, when it break through, it be a major move on every time frame. If I go to the 4 hour, you'll see the same thing. And my trading style now, I like to trade really based off the 4 hour and above. And I try to look at my entries on the 1 hour, but I'm really trading my bias based off what I see on the weekly, daily, and the 4 hour, honestly. But like
Okay,
we go
and
to the
I'm
four,
looking for like a swing trade with EA because I'm expecting when it does buy, it's gonna keep going up. That's what I'm
yeah.
looking at.
So then, like, say when it do break up here, I would be looking for price to be coming at least way up here.
Yeah, that's what I was originally looking at myself when it does buy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice buy when it do buy. But the thing about the market, it always repeats itself. So from what I can see, this is like all-time high levels up here. Yeah, that's as far as what this chart show me. This is like the all-time high level up there. So what I would do, and that price hasn't been up here since 2008. So what I would do is, boom, I put me a box right here. I put me a box right here. And you can even squeeze one in right here because of this resistance over here. And these just major areas where you can put for your take profits and things of that nature. So right now, I'm currently in the gbpusd buy. Well, let's look at gold right quick. That thing's doing what it do. Gold going crazy. We definitely gonna see a $3,000 gold. And do you know how to use the Fibonacci extension tool?
I don't like use film actually all that much, and I'm still confused from time to time how to use it.
Okay. Uh, let me find the pair that I am marking up. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna use Euro USD. I'm gonna delete all this stuff. It's an old markup I had did like weeks ago, maybe months ago, and it's still floating and respecting these zones. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it from the top for you to pause. All right. So boom, we
Wait,
looking at the weekly chart. You can see it was a major sell. We had the double top right here, then it sold off. Let's see what the 200 EMA at. Boom. Okay, it's perfect. So what I would do is I would take my Fibonacci tool from the bottom right here and pull it up to the top so we can kind of anticipate where price is going to pull back to. And I would
okay, so you
identify,
take it from the wick.
yeah, from the wick to the wick. So so in a sell, you would start from the bottom to the top, and in the uptrend, like we did with EA, and then it's gonna be recorded too. I'm gonna upload it to my YouTube page so you can go look at it, take notes if you need to.
Oh, okay.
And so say for example, you see how this was in the buy. I started from the top right here to the bottom. Since this was in the buy, that's how I got that zone right there. I started from the top to the bottom in the buy. So start from the top to the bottom in the buy. And in the sell, we start from the bottom to the top. Then I identify my 50%, 61.8 level. You know, everyone how they different, their favorite Fibonacci levels. This just personally works for me. And I'm one of them people, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Because a lot of times people try to follow too many other people's strategies and whatnot,
Yeah, I
and it
see
just
people
confuse
be
yourself.
changing the preliminary level. Like you use the default one, right?
Yeah, this is a straight default level. I try to keep it as simple as possible. So now I've identified that we see prices above here. So I'm looking for buys. But this on the weekly chart, we got a breakthrough of the 200 and then always break, retest, wait for the retest, then take the trade. So you see it broke through, then it came down and retested it. But that wick right there, this wick right here, lets me know, okay, that wick right there, letting me know, okay, it's in the back. And then you can see how this week is starting to form. Sellers push it down a little bit, but it's going up. And then if we cross-reference back to the DXY, which is the US dollar, you can see, hold up, let's clear some of this. Matter of fact, let's clear this whole chart. If we look at the DXY, damn. How did I do that? Uh, my bad. Hold on. Let me restart this whole thing. Bro, how's on? Oh, my bad. Pardon me, my computer crazy right now. Oh, maybe it's just all right, there we go. Uh, it's giving you, it's showing you a bullish move from that wick right there. And you see how this one's showing you a bullish move with the wick. If you go to the DXY, it's showing you a bearish move with that wick on the same week. So, okay, and that in my mind, okay, the US dollar is about to sell. That's why I like to use the weekly time frame so I know it give me a bias of what to anticipate for the rest of the week. See, here go my alert went off. I just said the DXY is definitely selling off. And I'm currently in the GBP buy. And woo, we are in the money. We are in the money. And it's pretty much the same concept.
I heard that's a good pair to trade, but I don't really trade it.
What, GBP
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good pair to trade. I like it. I like it. And then you can see this is where my take profit level is at. I chose that to make my take profit because this is just the next major key level I see. So I'm like, price definitely gonna shoot way up here. So it's a swing trade move I have set up, and it's 11 to 24 ratio. Actually, I'm in profit now. And it's funny because I'm gonna show you. I started this week off. I had some extra money. I was about to put a couple $100 into my trading account, and I seen I had already had $8 in my account. So I said, let me challenge myself to just trade this $8. You know what I'm saying? Before I even put any more money into this
Oh,
account.
okay, that's nice. You will trade. Yeah, that's what I was that platform.
Yeah, because I had a prop firm I was about to get started with too. So I was gonna get a prop firm for $225. They give you $5,000 that you can trade with instantly without having to do any challenge. And then I was gonna put $200 in a separate account, literally this morning. But then when I logged into my Sway charts, I seen I had $8 in my account. I'm like, you know what? Let me trade this. So as you can see, once price gets to my take profit, I got 80 one position is a $87.7%. I mean $87.80 plus I have a $180.74. So in total that'll be $267 made from $8.
You said 200 and what?
200 hold on, 87.07 plus 180, $267 profit from $8. That was basically free money in my account.
Oh, okay.
And then I can always add more positions. You see what I'm saying? As just go up because I'm only using 246%. So once this percentage level gets to like 500%, then I'll add another position. I might add another 0.2 just because this is a position I'm taking on a higher time frame. So you can see,
So will you take that 0.2 if you're gonna take another one?
it kind of just depends on the market structure and what I see. Um, right now, let me see. Let me drop down to the 1 hour chart.
Yeah, I was looking to trade either that same way. I was like planning to go smaller lots.
Yeah, that's what I'm working towards, becoming more of a swing trader. Because my problem in trading is I used to over leverage a lot. But now that I'm looking at and learning to trust my analysis and look at these higher time frames like the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour, and take my trade bias based off that, I don't have to look at my chart so much. I can go on and continue with my day
Yeah,
because I still work a
yeah, I'm trying to
job.
do that same thing.
I'm still in school. I'm still a father. I still have other business endeavors I got going on. And I don't want to have to sit there and watch my charts all day. Like really, 2 or 3 solid trades a week can make you some good money. Like, and I just been researching, learning from my own
Yeah.
mistakes and studying other
You
successful
also have to
traders.
have the proper lot size. Like if you don't, it could go against you.
Yeah, right. And then I'm so confident in this trade that I didn't put a stop loss on this because I knew this was going to happen. But probably by 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock Eastern time, I'm gonna just move my stop loss into profit. But, I know this move is going to happen because I've been watching this trade since down here. This is when I first marked it up down here. And I knew that price was going to come up here, break through this zone. I waited on the retest. See it. I knew price was gonna come up here, break through, give me a retest, and then I took the trade this morning.
Oh, all right. Yeah,
So price, look,
That's the same thing I'm looking at with EA to do as well, based on
so
that
let's go look
zone
at
that you
EA.
mark up.
And boom, as anticipated, she's selling off. Well, no, she's actually buying up. But now I wouldn't do nothing. I would just wait. Now it do look like it's gonna be. Oh, matter of fact, it do look like it's gonna be a nice little buy up to right here.
Let's say if we do a retest there, I take the buy, because
Yeah,
I was looking to take a buy from there anyway.
yeah. So I say from about here to here, like these right here, price could come take all this liquidity out right here. Like price could come eat up all these candles right there, and then come right up here to that resistance zone, and then drop. But overall, I definitely see price coming to down here and then shooting back up. Matter of fact, let me save this to my white watch list. I might hop in this trade if this happens. Let me put an alert right here. Yeah, if a price come up there and reject, I'm taking that sell. And I don't even trade this, but I will though. Let me add this to the watch list.
I heard that pair does take move the most on all the other currency. That's part of the reason I look to trade that.
Mm, yeah, it's definitely on my watch list. And do you trade? But I don't. You trade Bitcoin? I really stay away from Bitcoin now. I don't know. It'd be too.
No, I tried trading Bitcoin, and I take losses trading Bitcoin. I'm
Yeah,
more
me too. The wins I
I
take ain't worth the losses. Gold is my baby,
I
but I just
take
ain't traded yet.
another I take like another crypto S L
SOL
USD.
Solana.
Yeah, so on. Right now right now I don't trade it. I keep missing the entry for that.
Okay. And you can see gold.
Yeah,
Gold is
that is more safe. That more safer than trading Bitcoin, because you could put like a 0.1 and you could still make good money with it, because you're
yeah.
not
And then the
like
spread not so crazy. The spread on Bitcoin it just be outrageous. But like say gold, I can definitely see with the Fibonacci extension tool. So, say for example, let me delete this. So I showed you how I use a Fibonacci retracement tool. So say for example, you in a situation to where like this, gold is at all-time high levels. So this the highest price gold has ever been, right? So what you would do is I would go to my
yeah.
weekly chart.
I just been waiting for it to come back down and buy. Like I don't look for sales that much.
All right,
Because
so look,
when I was selling gold and it kept going up, I took a big loss. Like I have $187 in my account. It went down to like $65 last week. So I just been using good risk management to build the account back up. Like
yeah,
still
you know, because you
trading.
know it's going back up. But look, so with this Fibonacci extension tool, it look at this right here. So when you in a market that's like at all new time high levels, or it's nowhere to the left to look to find a support or resistance level because you at all time high levels, you come grab your extension tool right here, start from the bottom to the top, and then move it to the right. And then you could kind of project new take profit levels. So now you can kind of project like, okay, this is based off a different Fibonacci sequence, but you can kind of project where price is going to. And since I've been using it, it's very, very accurate. So the next key level I see gold coming to is 28,000, 28,036. I mean, my fault, 2,836.39.839.
All right. Where will you take the buyer since it's going up the way you're going up right now?
See, right now, I wouldn't enter the buy currently right now. I will wait for a little pullback.
Yeah, that's what I mean we do.
Yeah, I will wait for it to pull back. Now, if it pull back
Oh,
down,
you mark on 2600 zone.
yeah, right here. See, before it was a markup I had did a while ago on gold. I had did this like I want to say like I've been watching gold since down here. So I did majority of this markup when gold was down here. I just won't actively trading. But literally, man, if I would have took this buy right here, see price went up. I would have took this buy from this zone right there. Oh my goodness. And just held that joint. That's thousands of dollars right there. And just
Yeah,
added, kept
that's my
adding positions.
problem. Like when it comes to trading gold, I do understand where gold could go, but I don't have the patience to hold the trades, and most of the time I will be right.
And see, that just means you over leveraging. And then it
Yeah,
would definitely help you to start just looking on the higher time frame.
I like
And
when I watched that $187. I took it from 65 and now $146 right now,
and then a
147.
good thing to remember about gold too is it counters the DXY. So whatever the DXY doing, gold is going to do the polar opposite. That's why the first two things I do when I open my charts, I look at the calendar to see what news is coming, and I look at the DXY because with all the trades that I mean, all the pairs that I majority trade is XXX versus the US dollar or US dollar versus XXX. So if I can anticipate and see which direction the US dollar is going, then I can know that okay, this is where what's
The
going to happen
DXI
in the
look
market.
like DXI been selling, haven't it? Like been selling while gold going up.
Yeah, the DXY been selling like crazy since this double top right here. Oh, I had it marked up. I just do one from the daily right here. I'll just go back to the weekly. And this Zoom might cut off, but last keynote, the DXY, first thing you want to do, check your calendar. Second thing, mark up and check the DXY. And what you'll see I'll start doing in the Discord group is dropping just charts. And I'm gonna do a Zoom like this, like at least 2 times a week. At the beginning of the week and kind of the middle of the week. And then I maybe do one at the end of the week. But definitely gonna be dropping charts. And then just remember the blue, and you can go back and watch this video. It's gonna be on my YouTube. The blue, any blue markups you see is key levels. And the green markups you see are that Fibonacci level. I mean that Fibonacci level. Yeah, right now
Do you trade GJ? I start trading up here.
I do, but I don't at the same time. I can start trading again. I had just stepped away from it.
That pair that pair make a lot of big movement.
Yeah, it do. It do. It make majority of its moves during the London session. And I don't really trade the London. It be hit and miss for me. Like it depends on my schedule. Cause at first I went from not working somewhere to working somewhere to so I don't really be up to trade that. Like I'd rather let the London session make its move and I'll be up at 6 in the morning every morning, Eastern Standard Time, to catch the New York session or pre-New York session. And that's just what works better for my schedule. But looking at it right now, I can see. So what I would do, boom, I set my trend line right here. Matter of fact, I can erase all this and just looking at it off top. Boom, I put my trend line right here. And I'm gonna wait to see what price do right here. So either price gonna come up, break, retest, take the buy, or it's gonna sell off. But I haven't been really monitoring and been keeping up with GJ to be honest. Cause like I say, majority of the pairs I look at are USD based. I just look at the DXY and I can anticipate kind of what's gonna happen.
There's
Like I
another, like when you're trading the JPY pair, there's another one you could look at that is similar to the DXY to trade those pairs. I don't remember what it called.
if you
Like
find out, drop it in the Discord chat. I would love to know.
like it was it's just like the DXY, but it's more for the JPY pairs.
If you can find that out, drop it in the Discord group. I would love to know. We got less than 1 minute, so this call about to hang up. But definitely drop that in the Discord group. I'm gonna upload this video straight to YouTube once this call hang up. And then any questions, concerns you got, don't hesitate to ask me in the Discord group.
Okay.
I bet. Yeah, we in the money, man. So I know GBP USD is buying, Euro USD is going to buy, USD JPY is going to sell. It's an old markup too. I'm gonna redo this later. And gold is buying like crazy. So make sure you be safe, protect your bag. Let me look at Euro AUD one more time before the jump cut off.